It was said that after the fly was buried, harmful insects strangely decreased within the grounds of Jōraku-ji Temple. Whenever Kyūbei saw a fly near his shop, he remembered Tama's frugal and devoted way of life. The young acolytes whispered that, folding their hands before the memorial tablet brought them peace of mind. Kyūbei's wife often said that charity was meant not only for the living, but also for the dead. Young women who later came to serve learned from Tama's story to value purity of heart over outward beauty. One winter day, a single fly appeared at the temple and quietly disappeared into the garden. In his later years, priest Jiku cited Tama's story as an example in his sermons. Kyūbei's descendants continued to offer small lamps. On the anniversary of Tama's death, people in the town came to refrain from killing flies without reason. Tama's name remained in old records, conveying faith through a small life.